Hello, Huskies. In this lesson, we're going to be working on looking at our different types of text features. Now, anytime we start reading a brand new text or even revisiting an old text, it's always good to preview the text in order to see the text features. So right here we have dogs on display. This is the article that we used last week in our lessons. And I'm just basically going to go through and highlight a few of the text features that we see in here. So the first thing that I see is our title. I'm going to put a giant box around that and I'm going to label it. When you label things or write notes on a text, it's called annotating text. And it's usually what you do in order to help you understand what it is you're reading. Now, the title does two things. First, it helps us understand what the text is about. And then it can also help grab the reader's attention. So reading this title, I know it's something to do with dogs who are getting displayed, but I don't know what exactly it is about the dogs that are getting displayed. When I go through here, when I'm previewing, I'm not actually reading any of the text. I'm just kind of glancing through. And the next thing I see in my actual text is this word annual, and then arena, and transformed. And I notice that all three of these words are darker than the others, and this is called bold print. Now, when you have bold print, it means that the author feels that this is really important information that you need to pay attention to. Usually these are good vocabulary words, and they might even have at the end of the article a definition for each of these words. Right here, my next section, I'm going to go ahead and put another box around this one. This is called a heading. And this is what an author does whenever they want to break apart the article, and it helps organize the article so you know what it is they're talking about. I don't see any bold words over here. I don't see any extra headings over here. But what I do see right here, oh, let's do a circle this time. What I do see right here is a caption. And right here it says right. So that tells me that this caption is for this picture. And then this caption says below, and that tells me that it is for that picture down below. And these captions tell about the photograph. And if you hadn't noticed, we also have two different photographs, one here and then this one down here. So we have two photographs. And those are our 5 text features that we have in our article, Dogs on Display.